Now let's learn about the pixel coordinates. So whatever the image or objects we draw on the surface is not moved actually. The value of the pixel is changed if you want to change the color, and if you want to move the object, the pixel are shifted from the previous position. For example, if I want to move an object from coordinate 0, 0 to coordinate 10, in that case, the pixels are shifted from 0th position to 10th position, and the image which is at 0th position is erased. So in this way, we move image or object from one position to another position by just shifting the location of the pixel and erasing the previously drawn picture. Now let's learn about how to use this pixels to move the object, as well as how to add objects on the surface. So first, we need to create a screen. So we create the screen with the help of the display method, and then to put an object or the image on the particular location on the screen, we use blit method. Blit function is used. So the function is blit, and in this blit function, first we pass the background. Background means the display surface which we have created on which we want to put that object, and we pass coordinates x and y. The coordinates x and y are basically in the form of a rectangle which we pass. So to position an object on the screen, we need to tell the blit function where to copy image on the screen. So for that purpose, we pass x and y coordinates of the screen. So Pygame has a container which is a rect container, which represents the rectangular area in this coordinate that helps us to move and position the objects. So this is the rectangle function which we are going to use to move and position the object. So we specify the left position, the top position, width and height. So here you can add all the for these parameter and you can create a blit function. So in graphics, blit means a block of data which is copied or moved in memory to animate the 2D graphics. So that is the meaning of blit function, which quickly moves the object and creates some kind of animation. So here x and y is the position inside the window where we want to put that object to the top left of the surface. Now let's see how to create a blit function and how to put the object on the background. The steps are, first we will create the screen, that is the display surface. So there is a method which we have learned like pygame.display.setMode. With the help of that, we can create a display surface. Then we will create the object, like for example, if you want to put image on the screen, or if you want to put rectangle, circle, line, or your some game players or some object, any object, then you need to create that object. For example, if you are creating a game for cars, then you need to create the cars and you have to put that cars on the screen. Okay, so that is the object. Now the third thing is, after creating the object, we need to copy that object to the surface of the screen. Okay, so we can do that with the help of blit method. So just creating the object is not enough. You have to copy that object to the surface also. And the last thing is, we need to update the display to show it. So to show the display surface object on Pygame window using display.update method. So there are two methods to continuously update the display. The one is display.update and another is display.flip method. So in this way, now we are going to build one small program using the blit function to put the object on the surface of the screen.